Hello, welcome to Funky Class. Today I'll be showing how to make color flashcards. This one here is a free printable from Google, okay? So what do you need? You need hardstock paper. You need 2 copies of this as seen on the screen. So make a tabulation. Yeah. You need 2 copies of the tabulated hardstock paper. Alright, so you may decide to use paint like this, watercolor, crayons, colored pencils, fiber pens, whatever you have at home would do, and of course paint brushes. So let's start with paint. Red, right, blue. So I tried to use a crayon to see how it's going to come out. So let's see. So that's a crayon. All right. Wow, beautiful. So you may decide to use a crayon all through. It depends on what you want. All right, purple, green, orange. I mean, these are all important colors for kids. Black. So leave the last one for white. You make 2 copies of this like this. You see that? Good job. So allow to dry. Then you cut one of the copies, okay? You cut out the flashcards. Wow. Now you have your colored flashcard, okay? You can decide to write the names of the colors behind each of the flashcard, okay? And it can be used for diverse kind of game, for card sorting, card mashing, bingo games and all. So enjoy your games. Thank you. That's it. All right.